In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell ebook on Gumroad. So the first thing I'm doing here is going to gumroad.com and logging into my account. Once I'm inside the dashboard, I'm heading over to the product section because this is where I can start creating something new to sell. From there, I'm clicking new product, and that opens up the product setup so I can begin putting the ebook together as a listing. Now that I'm in the setup, I'm choosing ebook as the product type. That tells Gumroad what kind of product I'm creating, and from here I can move right into the basic details. So now I'm setting the price, and right beside that I'm also choosing the currency I want to use. I'm just making sure both of those look right before moving on, because this is what customers are going to see when they land on the product page. Once that part is done, I'm clicking next to keep going. At this point, I'm in the area where I can customize the product page. This is where the listing starts to look more complete, so I'm working through the product page details and getting everything set the way I want. I'm just taking a moment here to make sure the page looks clean and ready before I add the actual ebook file. Once that part looks good, I'm moving over to the content tab because this is where the file itself gets uploaded. Now I'm inside the content tab and I'm clicking the upload icon to insert the ebook file. This opens the file picker from my computer, so I'm finding the file I want to use and selecting it. Once I've got the right one, I'm letting Gumroad upload it. This is the main file people will receive when they purchase the product, so I'm just making sure it uploads properly and shows up in the content area before I move on. Once that's done, I'm giving everything a quick check. I've gone to Gumroad, logged in, opened products, clicked new product, chosen ebook as the type, set the price and currency, clicked next, customized the product page, and uploaded the file in the content tab. If everything looks right, then I'm ready for the final step. So the last thing I'm doing here is clicking publish. That makes the ebook live, and now the product is available on Gumroad. And that's really the full process. You log in, create a new product, choose ebook, set the price and currency, move through the product page setup, upload the file in content, and then click publish. Once that's done, your ebook is live and ready to be sold on Gumroad.